Hello, welcome to my channel. Important to know creation some footage as we require some bytes plugins sign the speed of the process and make this much easy. You can freely use footage color during educational videos. Feel free to ask questions or give suggestions in the comment section. On my second channel Machine Footage, you can download ready-to-use footage and use it in your videos. But I strongly ask to specify original footage only. You can even monetize your videos. In exchange, I just simply ask for likes and comments. You will learn how to make beautiful and simple background with improv openings, just following my steps on videos. I won't show all the button preset. Business cooperation, welcome to my email address.